Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can use SuperAdvisorSorokin, this trading system. So this is a screen of MetaTrader 5.0 with a running expert SuperAdvisorSorokin, as you can see here. I will explain how to start using this expert with your trading. First of all, you have to set you have to set up your template properly. So in the section of templates, you have to choose template from your SuperAdvisorSorokin, which you copied before, after watching a video how to install our system on your computer. And when you run it, you'll get template, and you can see on screen the indicators. After you have attached our expert, choose from a section experts SuperAdvisorSorokin, and now you're in a business. When you start SuperAdvisor expert, you have lots of settings here. Quickly explain your idea. So first of all, this is a period of which is used in the system. This lowest period should be matched to the period of indicator. So you see here the 325, this lowest period, fastest 100. And here, if you click on the indicator, so 325, and the fastest one, it's right button click 100. So the settings in the system should be matched to its indicators. And fastest period, fast deviation, so this medium deviation, slow deviation, moving average period. So this moving average is just for information purposes. So when the price we're crossing moving average line, the system sending you alerts here. So you see the price cross moving average. Bollinger Band, it's also for informative purposes, giving you idea about the volatility in the current time. And the Bollinger Band deviation, max drawdown is in percent, it's how much the drawdown can be hold. If its drawdown will be higher than 5%, its position will be automatically closed if it's in automatic mode. And also we have a display mark, so it will be like peaks in the bottoms, and also when it's the trend in a recommended buying mode, buy highlighted yellow, so this will be also the dots under price or above price, just marked recommended selling in the buying periods. So this is the short list. So the most important on the top of the inputs. So the slowest period, fastest deviation, medium deviation, slow deviation, and this is all the parameters should match the parameters of the indicators. We have three indicators. Instead of three moving averages, we have three indicators, which are really a lot more accurate for the trailing your stop or for trailing your limit order to enter the position. Here there is a trading control panel, and the trading control panel we have some power. It's right now it's a power of the trend. You see there is now it's green one. It could be red, and now it's green. It means there is a positive for the bullish trend. And the system analyzing fractal structure and analyzing power of the impulse or the power of the trend. So you see there is also a new signal just appeared when the price will cross the yellow line. Alert system, as I mentioned before, we're sending signals every time. Instead of staring in the monitor, you can look at the monitor with the graphs when something important happened. Also, system recognizing patterns, the candle patterns, and if it's reversing candle, it's like a reversing candle patterns, like here. will system send you a alert signal as well. Or, for example, longest bar in a fractal. So if it's longest bar in a whole fractal structure, the system alerting as well. Let's see, there is a possibility of a tuning fractal. So this was it was before. Here, current impulse, the impulse of the last fractal, and the power of a fractals before. So it's summarizing both together and to the final parameter of the trend power. So how you can make decision to the enter position, I will show you as example on SP500. Right now is index futures on the index in ingot broker. On the metatrader, it's you can open an ingot broker account. You can find the links for the demo account, the trading account below. We have lots of instruments in ingot broker. You can choose any instrument you want. There are lots of options, and this is big advantage of this broker. Plus, there's very low commission. Again, so let's go back to the system. As you can see, we have a red button. A red button is a button which is switching the system in automatic mode, after trade, or manual mode. I suggest you use the manual mode, so we close all positions, sell and buy. It's in automatic mode. You can participate by yourself manually and automatic mode. But when it's the manual mode switched, it means only you can enter the position. Position can be closed automatically by the system. Here you can see that it's three drop down boxes where you can set your order, the ticket order, and set the logic for the order. So we have a fast, it's for yellow line, it's moving stop loss during the medium line, and during its moving stop loss during the slowest line. Again, there's the numbers, it's the parameters of the indicators here. And also here we have a Bollinger Band as well, 80. So it's also you can move your stop according to the Bollinger Band as well. But as you can see here, that's the false triggering stop loss can happen if you have a Bollinger Band, but for the indicators according to like this, our indicators, it's more accurate. So for example, here you avoided the stop loss triggering. And here we have a limit fast, limit medium, limit slow. It's limit orders. So the limit orders, if it's you wanna enter position to the counter trend. Now let's see what's going on in the market. So first of all, what I also point your attention when you're changing your time frame, it's always the settings here automatically resetting. It's designed because it's depends on the time frame. There is a different parameters of indicators, so it's everything new for the system. So that it's a system resetting automatically. So it's very important, and pay attention on this when you switching from one time frame to another one. But I also suggest you to open another window with a time frame, for example, for 1 hour, like here. See, there is a system. It's there's SP500. The system suggested buying mode on 1 hour time frame for the Standard & Poor's from 20th of July, and up to present time the system still in a buying mode. How you can recognize buying mode, selling mode? If it's again it's three indicators under the price or above the price, it means selling. This is buying, or bullish or bearish. So right now still it's a flat, but system still in bullish mode. It's not in a bearish mode yet. I expect it will be going down, but who knows? But it's a bearish mode. So after it's recognized, so this is a bearish mode. Oh, so this is right now it's bullish mode, and the system probability will go up. We can switch to the low time frame, say here. It's the time frame 5 minutes, for example. Again, all parameters resetted, and it's a present time kind of a mixed situation, because you see this before the 3 indicators were on from one side, and now this already true flipped. So we can suggest, let's open position like buy, because there's recommendation buy on a 1 hour time frame. So we open position here, and position with a ticker 7163.078. Now we can choose, so the system can control up to 3 positions simultaneously. So here in this menu drop down, it's the box, you can choose the position which is there open for controlling. So we can choose this position, and now we can select the logic, because we already entered position. So it's not like it's an order, delayed order, it's order executed. So we have 4 settings. The stop loss will be or moved. So let's say I'll suggest a pink line. Pink line, it's the slowest one. Whoops. So this is, we set the pink line, and this position will, so this, you see there's a green line. So this is the level when this was executed, the price was executed. I also suggest you subscribe to this channel, so every time a new video released, you'll be informed, and share lots of my trading ideas. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel.